Good morning, students. We were discussing subject verb agreement yesterday and will continue. Now, another point that is important is two nouns qualified by each or every, even though connected by and, require a singular verb. Now, we had discussed that any two subject which are connected by and takes a plural verb. Now, if it is qualified by each or every, even though it has and in it, it takes a plural verb. It takes a singular verb. For example, every boy and every girl was given vaccination. Here every is used, so even and is used to connect these two nouns. Still a singular verb is used. None is singular but takes a plural singular verb according to the sense involved in the sentence. Now, none is singular in nature, but it can take a singular or a plural verb depending upon the sense that is involved. For example, none were given a chance to speak. Now, none here is with none, plural verb is used, and in second sentence, I asked for a maid, but none was there. So, it depending upon the sentence whether the sentence is addressing singular or plural or a group of people, depending upon that verb is used. When the plural noun is a proper name for some single subject or some collective unit, it must be followed by a singular verb. Now we had discussed that there are many noun which has s in it, though it looks like plural, but it is singular in sense. It is singular. Now this United Nations is a proper name for single subject or some collective unit. United Nations is an organization. For example, the Three Musketeers is the name of a novel or a book. Despite of having s, it's singular. So the United Nations is also singular. So it is taking a singular verb. The United Nations is not an effective body for world peace. Nouns like glasses, pants, trousers, shoes, people, police, scissors always take a plural verb. Also, descriptive nouns like the rich, the blind, the guilty are always plural. Now, the nouns like we had discussed the nouns like economics. Okay, we had discussed the committee. So, here the nouns like glasses, pants, trousers, shoes, people, scissors, police, these will always take a plural verb. And there are descriptive nouns like the rich, the blind, the guilty, and they also take plural form. For example, your shoes are glossy. But when used with a pair of, they are singular. A pair of branded shoes is quite expensive these days. Now, when these words are used with a pair of, so a singular verb will be used, and at that time, plural verb will not be used. Uncountable nouns like advice, news, media, stationery, weather, progress are singular and take a singular verb. These nouns are all singular and therefore it takes a singular verb. One must not offer advice unless asked. So here what happened? Here a singular verb is used. Nouns like news, physics, economics, measles, cards, aerobics are plural in form but they are treated as singular. Now this point is similar to the one we had discussed, like economics. These words look as plural but these are singular, and this takes a singular verb. Aerobics is a good exercise. A collective noun takes a singular verb when the collection is thought of as one whole. It takes the plural verb when the stress is on individuals. Now, when the collective noun is there, so it also depends upon the nature of the sentence. When it denotes a single person or individual, it takes a plural verb, and when the collection is thought of as a whole, it takes a singular verb. So these are few rules of subject verb agreement. Most of the rules are similar, and I hope you have understood it.